Hello woodblock print enthusiasts and collectors. A quick reminder to please like and subscribe. Today I'll be unboxing some exciting prints I bought from a bookshop in Spain. Let's open this up. This took a while to get here because of the whole coronavirus thing. As you may know, I love restaurant prints. There are many famous ukiyo-e artists such as Kunisada, Yoshicho, Hiroshige, and Kunichika who were commissioned to create a series of restaurant prints. Sometimes it was just a restaurant scene, like this print from Hiroshige's famous Restaurants of Edo. Sometimes it was the restaurant paired with a famous actor, like in this great collaboration between Hiroshige and Kunisada. And sometimes it's the artists experimenting with Western perspective, like this series from Yoshicho. And I find all these fascinating because it's basically advertising a real restaurant that was popular 150 or more years ago. When I saw them online, they seemed to be in really nice condition. And let's see how they are in person. This restaurant is Isagen in Shibaguchi. It looks like the customers here are leaving the restaurant late in the evening. I like that one of the women is picking her teeth. I did some searching online and found that the restaurant Isagen in Kanda has been in business since the 1830s, and this may be the same restaurant, although they did move to a new building in 1930. Okay, this is a Yoshicho restaurant in Jiten or Niten. I'm not sure how it's written. This is a very dynamic composition with the restaurant interior. I love the angle of the staircase. It looks like the staff is getting ready to open the restaurant. This print is of the restaurant Fukumoto in Shinbashi. You can see that there was a great view of the countryside from this restaurant, and on the floor you can see a pipe, sake, and some food they were eating. It's probably a humid summer day because the customers have their fans out. This is Yasuo Zen restaurant in Ueno. I like this one because it shows how the Japanese integrate the outside and inside of the restaurant. The dining areas are wide open to the garden. This famous restaurant opened in 1803 near Yoshiwara, the pleasure district, and originally it was a food delivery service, then it was a tea stall that sold food, and then it became a high-class restaurant. And the owner even published a popular book of recipes called Edo Trendy Cuisine. This restaurant is named Jusenro. We see two women going their separate ways outside the restaurant. The fashions are so great, every kimono is different. This one is the restaurant Ojiya in Oji. And here we see two women, maybe a customer and a waitress, behind her, and she's looking at a rainbow. One of the main features of many restaurants are the views of the countryside or garden, so a lot of prints in this series have people on the balcony or looking through windows at the scenery. All in all, I'm very happy with these 6 prints. They all had full margins, no holes or tears, and they were not backed. I'm close to collecting all 36 in the series. Wish me luck. Happy collecting!